My favorite part of the online ABSN is that I'm able to do all the work on my own time.
I kind of had a background of how online schooling worked. And so when I found out that I could do this and then also come and do residency, every so often and still do clinicals and then get my foot into the door in a lot quicker way, it really appealed to me more in that aspect.
Not many places offer an online program, and I have found it way easier to balance and have a life in nursing school.
I really like the aspect of not going to school for 4 years and doing what I want to do in a year and a half.
I know by at least week 2, 3, I was in a groove and I got to understand how this program works, what they're expecting from us, what they want us to achieve. And then they also give us the tools provided as far as what we can do to achieve those things.
If you have a question, you're able to communicate with anybody in the class.
My favorite part is coming here to campus for residency.
I'm able to work with my teachers face to face. Although it's a very long day, I feel like I'm getting a lot out of it.
You get time to practice, and you really can obtain a lot more information learning that way. You just learn so much in a hands-on and fun way. The faculty here at CSU make it very easy to become a part of this program.
They are very understanding, they're very uplifting, they're very easy to talk to, very easy to reach out to if you have questions.
An advisor was reaching out, and she really walked me through every step of the way, all the way even until classes started, and really guided me in the right direction of when to apply, when everything was, answered any questions I had.
They want you to achieve, they want you to do your best, they want you to graduate and be that person in 16 months and be that nurse that they are training you to be. Some advice that I would give to someone else: make connections with professors, with faculty members, with your peers, with anyone that you can. Being able to make those connections is definitely going to help you out in the long run.
You gotta put in the work, but it's very rewarding.
Schedule what you have to do at the start of the week so you're not rushing to finish it at the end. Be prepared to set a lot of time aside to do work because this is a very time-consuming program.
Breathe and take it one day at a time. But if you tackle one class, one day, one assignment at a time, you're gonna be successful.